I've been using the Campus Student app for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a helpful tool for students in 2025. The app provides real-time access to grades, assignments, attendance, schedules, and announcements all in one place. Its clean interface makes it easy to navigate, and the ability to receive notifications for grade updates and attendance changes helps students stay on top of their academic responsibilities. The app also allows for quick communication with teachers, which can be invaluable for clarifying assignments or addressing concerns. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Some users have reported occasional glitches, such as delayed notifications or issues logging in, which can be frustrating during critical times like exam periods. Additionally, the app's functionality is dependent on the school's implementation of the Infinite Campus system, so features may vary between districts. Despite these issues, many students find the app to be a valuable resource for managing their academic life. Overall, the Campus Student app is a useful tool for students who want to stay informed and organized. While it's not without its flaws, the convenience of having all your academic information in one place makes it worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.